So, welcome Sanskruti to our channel. I hope you will enjoy this small video. So, let's get started. So, my first question to you is what's your nickname and what is the story behind it?
Um, I no, not a particularly one nickname I have, many nicknames it is. So, but I'll just tell you the story of only one, that is DJ Snake. So DJ Snake, my favorite teacher used to call me my dance teacher, as I was having interest in Kathak dance, like that in that type of hobby type it was. So I was practicing Kathak. At that time, my guru, she was like Prerna Patil. I want to mention her.
Okay, I will.
She was my guru, and she was in my school. So this is the story of like sixth, seventh standard. So our cultural fest was like cultural fest tha, वो कुछ like every student has to participate in it. So at that time I used to play the songs, like all that slow runs and all that. So it was like DJ. I used to play the songs that way DJ, and once and I used to like very slim trim. No. So it was like I was so like unhealthy in the whole group. So I used to just go like this,
Just like snake.
just like snake. I used to just like goosing here and there. So it was like they all used to say that सांप की तरह आती जाती है. So that is snake. So DJ and snake, they joined these two words, and it is DJ Snake.
Okay.
And I love this. Like they call me DJ Snake.
Okay.
I want to mention our group's name. Basu group.
We will tell this all things in description. Okay. So the next question to you is what are you doing now in education?
So I'm doing NEET. I'm appearing for entrance exam of NEET.
So the next question to you is what are your upcoming goals?
So it's type of an hobby to participate, like to do competitions and to participate in the dance shows. And being a doctor is my biggest dream.
Okay. What is your guilty pleasure? I think I know.
Nail biting.
Okay.
You can see my nails. Come over.
Okay. The next question to you is does you have any bestie or best friend? Any gender?
Yeah. Gender female.
Oh.
And she is the bestest friend.
Okay. This next question to you is are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I am an introvert for the whole world. I am extrovert in front of her and my family.
Oh, bro. This is like so confusing answer. Not the confusing question.
Not.
Okay.
It's like by. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cut.
The next question to you is if anyone approach you, what will be your reaction?
No.
Okay. The next question to you is did you have ever speak bad words or vulgar words?
Yeah.
Okay. Any grander?
No.
Okay. I will mention what's grander in description. So next question to you is you are you a morning person or a night person?
Night person.
Okay, you can like woke up a whole night. You can't sleep at night.
It's not like so particular that only morning person or night person. Like if it depends on my exam. If my like I have studied all thing in the morning hours, then I'll just sleep the whole time. If I am doing time pass in the morning, then I'll sleep at night.
Oh.
However, we need to balance both the times.
Okay. The next question to you is interesting thing about your personality.
My personality. See, I think I'm good. आई एम गुड इनफ फॉर माई सेल्फ कि मैं जैसी हूँ आई एम द बेस्ट पर्सन. बट सी इन दिस जेंजी वर्ल्ड आई थिंक दैट आई एम सो कंजर्वेटिव टाइप पर्सन. आई थिंक and I am ki like all the whole world talking that Gen Z codes, all that things that Loki and all that. And I will like कि शुद्ध हिंदी में बात कीजिए types person.
Okay. The next question to you is, if I give you a choice
And
that
that thing makes me different from all these Gen Z things.
okay. The next question to you is, if I give you a choice that one male and one female, whom will you choose and trust the most for for trust and responsibility?
So I'll trust a male person, a male guy. To can I explain my answer?
Yeah, you can.
So it's like कि see, if we share something to a female friend or a female girl, definitely she will tell that thing to a person who is close to her, like example her boyfriend or any of her friend, male friend, best friend. She will definitely tell. I'm just damn sure. But if we are telling to a male person, so he'll be like, ठीक है, I listened you and I just forgot it whatever you said. I'll not tell anyone else about this thing.
Cause
So-
I forget it.
No, it's not forget it. They listen properly and they just
Forget
like if
that
I'm
thing.
telling a problem to a male guy, he'll listen it properly, but he'll not tell other person, any boy or any female friend, any of them. Okay, that's the other thing. If he's my best friend and he has a girlfriend, so he can tell everything to her. Sorry.
It's a mistaken word.
Mistaken word.
Okay. The next question to you is, if I give you a chance to tell me the name of that one girl who had jealous feeling for you, although she knows and you also knows that she is the one girl, but she don't know that you know. Who is she?
Very complicated question. But okay, I have the answer. But I don't want to mention her name because I don't want to just spoil the relation.
She is your friend now?
Yeah, she is, but not in that sense. The
Oh.
friends, actually friends. If we are moving in the same van, we still don't talk. We sit beside each other like in the class. We don't talk.
Oh.
We talk to all of them around us, but we both never talk. Like we talk.
I think
Since-
after uploading this vlog and after watching this vlog, she will recognize herself.
No, she can't.
I think you should tell her.
I just
You
discussed
should
all
share this vlog to her.
I discussed everything with her, but she was very casual with it कि ठीक है आई एम राइट मैं खुद को तो डिफेंड करूँगी तो मैं why should I I just hate that approach. I just hate. I don't hate that person. She's good, but I hate in that sense कि if see I am like there is very much competition in it. So I want कि चल भाई साथ में जाएंगे साथ में सिलेक्शन करवाएंगे बट शी इज़ लाइक कि तू पीछे ही रह मैं आगे जाऊँगी दैट्स द वेरी बैड थिंग सॉरी
Okay. Did
I can tell you
okay after the video.
okay
Pakki.
yes yes okay continue
The next question to you is, did any of the person body shames you?
no one
Okay.
you saved it.
The next question to you is, what do you notice when you accidentally watch a couple? Your first reaction.
क्यों भाई like cute in
Okay.
sense कि ठीक है okay it sometimes it is cringe but okay
The next question to you is, what is your thinking
I want
about?
to so chalo, I'll tell you something like my friend can I tell
No, you can't.
I want to
Tell me afterwards.
okay
So the next question to you is,
it's genuinely so cringe but ठीक है it's cute for her
the next question to you is, What is your thinking about periods? Yeah, it's normal thing in every girl, but most of the North Indian mummies and daddies says to be separate when you are on periods. Do you agree with this? Explain.
And it seems like a neat. It seems like a theory का question in the paper. Explain. Okay, so it is like कि, yeah, in her vlog I think she just explained you all that South Indian mummies wala case.
No, I hadn't. I'm like,
हाँ,
I'm little
so
late for that.
I want to just tell you about that. Like she told me about it. So basically, in which areas?
South Indians.
In South Indian areas, they all celebrate the periods, and it's the
First-
very bestest thing I feel after listening it. Ki they are celebrating of when a female gets her periods. It's genuinely a very good thing, very good thing. Like,
Yeah.
and like see, uh, in our families, all of them like think it is in conservative vichar कि the female has to stay away all this and they have to not touch from here and there.
Although there are many reasons for that, but they don't recognize the reason. They just recognizing the superstitious thing behind that. So they don't know the actual fact behind that, but they just think that the snake will come in their house and the scorpion will come in their house, and which is a superstitious thing according to me and according to science also. So that's the fact behind that.
I think कि it should not be like that. Like see, in that South Indian areas, they celebrate it like कि female, yeah, the females are in very much pain in that period. So they have. So in South Indian, they think like कि female, if they are like feeling weak, or if they are like कि genuinely they are in pain, we are only the examples for it. So they want ki they have to rest. The sense behind it is to rest. The female should get a rest for some time. Ki,
Yeah.
yeah, in the old days, the female have to go walk and bring all that water from very long distances, and that time it is very difficult for a female to go and bring water from such a long distance, and it's a very painful work. And almost at that time, females used to bring all that stuff for the family. So I think female for them.
For the resting at that time, the 3 days are been like they said that cause they are not more interactive with the male partner, so the females decide to be like alone at that time, and it's
I think it's very illogical logic.
yeah, but what agar if you like you said in that if you get a chance to choose two personalities in male and female, of course you are choosing male. Okay, but what happens if you are telling him that all such things, and even though he don't feel that pain, but he will do all such things for you. Don't you agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
That's the main reason, and this was not applicable when in ancient times actually.
They were thinking ki, and nowadays they think like it is a very bad thing. They are taking it to like कि female gets impure
Yeah.
during their periods. So it's not like that. It's a very
I
and
think,
it's a very good thing.
Yeah.
मेरे पास तो शायरी भी है.
We will be making the next video on it. Okay.
Yeah. We'll make a very good discussion. We will had a good discussion on it.
Okay. The next question to you is most nostalgic moment for you.
I want to just explain all that thing. So technically, I just ate. I am just watching the reels. So I got a reel. Ki a person eating a lollipop. He was doing that so that stick of that lollipop. He was doing like this, and the lollipop was rotating like a top. So I was just shocked. I ate lollipop so much times and I realized कि कुछ ऐसा भी होता है. So I brought 3 lollipops. and then
Oh.
I just roll it. I was just shocked. भाई ये भी होता है.
I think viewers will be doing this after this. After
Yeah,
listening this.
definitely, definitely.
Okay, the next question to you is: as you are a science student, do you believe in God? In terms of science, God is the internal power. What do you think?
I think internal power exists. I think internal power exists. I don't believe in God, but okay, bhai, God even exists. क्योंकि internal powers are existing, then see, I have an experience of an internal power, so I believe in it. But God, okay, maybe, but I'm not so much.
Okay, we will be making the next video on God only.
Okay.
Because I
I
have
am so
that
interested.
that much of facts according to it, so it may help you and you also. Okay, the next question to you is that's my personal question. Do you it's in Hindi. क्या आपने जस्ट लाइक मैं अभी मोबाइल देख रही हूँ तो कभी ऐसी ताकाझाकी की है किसी के मोबाइल में, मतलब उसको पता नहीं है, वो इंसान को पता नहीं है, बट आपने देखा है, और किसका देखा है वो भी नाम मेंशन करना है.
मैं सबका फोन देखती हूँ. मैं सबका फोन देखती हूँ. See,
Did you ever notice some cringe thing in their mobile?
not cringe, but very abnormal thing I saw. See, I'm eating, sitting. I am like, I like यहाँ से वहाँ in my class I travel button. Sorry, bad English. हाँ, anyways, तो मैं यहाँ पे बैठती हूँ. मेरे आजू बाजू में दो लड़कियाँ बैठती हैं, and a boy sits here and a boy sits here. So they continuously start like used to chat and do all this chatting वगैरह. So I sit like this, and then I like they are busy in watching their phone, and I be like क्या कर रही है ये, क्या कर रही है ये, and so someone is chatting and someone is doing. The one अजीब thing I observe that a very अजीब thing I think, like ancient time में that the rajas and ranis were used to cook out. That type of images it was very
Cringe.
but it was not
It was unexpected. by you.
unexpected कि भाई ऐसी चीजें भी देखते हैं लोग. Yeah, I never.
Okay. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this show. I hope you will be.
I want this part 2 for this.
Okay.
I love this. Genuinely, I love this.
And
And
if-
her questions.
Okay, and if you like this, so
Like,
share, subscribe. Ta-da.
Bye.